So check it out. I had this top tube bag, and I went to Walmart and I bought a couple of these fanny packs, and I'm gonna do what that other guy did. I cut the straps off. There was like straps on both sides, you know, for the fanny pack. These are the straps that I cut off. Anyways, the plan is to sew them on like so, and it'll be like a three-part. The bag here, fanny pack hanging down, fanny pack hanging down. It'll be like three, like a gas tank saddlebag, you know, toolkit. Put my phone in there or whatever. So yeah, so that's what I got going on today, and I'm pretty happy about that. I also bought a phone mount and a set of lights, so we'll see what that does. Alright, look, so check it out. I got this is like the most heavy duty, this is like the thickest thread that I could find at Walmart, and it's pretty heavy duty stuff as far compared to the other ones, because some of them were like, this one I think was 100 yards, some of them were like 200 yards, some of them were 300 yards, and they were the same size. So I just figured the smaller, the shorter, that one I think was 100 yards. So the shorter the string, probably the thicker it is. Anyways, I got one side sewn on there, and now I'm going to sew the other one onto the other side, and it'll sit on the bike like that. Well, if you can see. Anyways, I'll show you when it's done. Yeah, so this is the final result. It's just one of these. I think I bought that at Walmart. Well, actually I bought all this stuff at Walmart, and then a couple fanny packs, and then when you put it on the bike, this Velcro, I sewed a couple of Velcro strips onto the corners so that they can connect the two together. I'll show you after it's on the bike. Alright, so this is the final result, or the final product. It's got the Velcro up front, and then there's two that go underneath for that, and then there's one up right here. So there's that one, these two, and then this Velcro right here.